This project is about lung disease detection of diabetic patients by deep neural network. The evolution of deep learning has enhanced the technique of identifying and classifying lung diseases into various categories using medical images. This project aims to build lung disease detection model using deep learning to identify and discover lung diseases at an early stage. In the existing system, artificial neural network is used to classify the disease, but in our proposed system, we have used deep neural network to classify the diseases. It follows a several process: image acquisition, data pre-processing, image segmentation. At last step, it is a classification of diseases. These are some of the snapshots from the project. First image denotes the noise removal process. Then the original image is converted to binary image for an accurate prediction. At last, the output image is displayed with the disease name for the given input image. Thank you.